How much is Xiaomi TV Box? The Xiaomi TV Box, also known as the Mi Box, is an affordable streaming device that allows users to turn their regular television into a smart TV. The price of the Xiaomi TV Box varies based on the model, features, and regional availability. First, Xiaomi Mi Box S, standard model. The Xiaomi Mi Box S is the most common version of the TV box, offering 4K resolution, Android TV OS, and access to popular streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Google Play. The standard price for the Xiaomi Mi Box S typically ranges between $50 and $70. This model comes with 4K HDR support, Google Assistant integration, and Bluetooth connectivity for additional devices like remotes or game controllers. Second, Xiaomi Mi Box 4K, alternative model. Another version, the Xiaomi Mi Box 4K, offers similar features to the Mi Box S with 4K support, Android TV integration, and access to streaming services. The price for this model generally ranges between $60 and $80, depending on the retailer and location. This version also supports Dolby Audio and DTS HD, providing enhanced sound quality for an immersive viewing experience. Third, Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, alternative device. For those who prefer a smaller and more portable device, Xiaomi also offers the Mi TV Stick, a compact streaming stick similar to Amazon's Fire Stick or Roku. This model supports 1080p resolution, Android TV OS, and access to popular streaming platforms. The Xiaomi Mi TV Stick is priced lower, typically between $30 and $50. It's an ideal choice for users who want a budget-friendly solution for smart TV functionality. Fourth, factors affecting Xiaomi TV Box prices. Several factors influence the pricing of the Xiaomi TV Box. Model variants. The price varies between the Mi Box S, Mi Box 4K, and Mi TV Stick, with the stick being the most affordable. Retailer and location. Prices can vary depending on the region and retailer, as well as any promotions or discounts being offered. Bundled offers. Some retailers may offer bundles with additional accessories like remotes or HDMI cables, which may impact the overall price. In conclusion, the Xiaomi TV Box provides an affordable way to upgrade your TV to a smart TV, with prices ranging from $30 for the Mi TV Stick to around $80 for the Mi Box 4K. Buyers can choose based on their desired features, screen resolution, and budget.